What's up, traders? Today we'll be going through my Wednesday watch list, what I'm looking for in the markets, what I'm expecting the markets to do. And yeah, so basically let's go through my trading process on Wednesday. There are a couple of things. So on Wednesday, I am trading either two things: a day 2 continuation setup or a high of week reversal setup. And how do I come about to get into these setups? So I have my signals. My signals are failed breakouts at the high of the week. So if it's Monday, then on Tuesday breaks out and closes back inside Monday's range, or a first red day or a first green day. So those two, those three, they are the signals for the day 2 continuation. And then 3 days of rise or fall, meaning consecutive breakout. So we are breaking out of the previous high or low, consecutive for 3 days. Then I would be looking for a high of week reversal setup. So how does this really work? So we will go through all these instruments that I'm following right now. The first one is NASDAQ or US Tech. Now, as you can see on Friday, on Friday we didn't have a lot of action, but on Monday we have our opening range high and low. And then on Tuesday, yesterday, we had a breakdown. So price broke down of the the opening range and closed below. You can see where price opened. So I'm interested in the open of Tuesday and the close of Tuesday. And now we have our first red day. Now, the first red day is just the first bullish candle in the week. Bearish. Whatever. I know you understand it. Anyway, now coming back to Wednesday. What now I'm interested in? I'm interested in the price at the high of the day. So this is a sell high day, because in my mind, my thesis is that once we have a first red day, then the second day will actually continue the trend. So I would be looking for a setup at the high of the day. Now this is a very pretty specific strategy setup where I know, okay, it's the first red day. Then I won't be looking for any buy opportunities, because my thesis is already set in. We are selling high. So I will just wait for price to come back to that high. All right. This is another example of a very good, interesting setup. Now, last week on Wednesday, we had the failed breakout and the first red day. So you can see price broke out of the high of the week. It was actually on Thursday. So price broke out of the high of the week, then closed below. We have our first red day. Then on Friday, price continued lower. So as I was explaining, now in this scenario, we'd be waiting for price at the high of the day. Price continued lower, and then on Monday, price continued breaking down again. So we have a failed breakout day 1, day 2 continuation, day 3, and then yesterday we had this choppy move here, but price broke out of the high of the week and then closed back inside the range. So this would be a buy low setting up. That is my thesis, but we also have to look at the price action. It is not a must that price does what I want it to do, but we'll get 1 or 2 setups that will actually align with our strategy. So my goal today will be looking at oil at the low of the day in my timing window. That is between after 9:30. I usually like to look at price after 9:30, but my trading window is between 8 and 11. Moving on to the pound. This is a very interesting setup. We have day 1 on Thursday. That is, we have a breakout of the high of the week. So we have Monday here. So this is the breakout of the high of the week, and then price closes back inside as a, well, it was just a pin, because you can see price opened and closed at the 1.2200 zone there, this area. But the next day price continued going down. So we have our failed breakout day 1, day 2 on Monday, day 3 we have this choppy move. All right, so I would be looking for a Wednesday reversal. So this would be 3 days of fall. So I would be looking for a breakout. This is the failed breakout on Wednesday. I'll be looking for a breakout on the 15-minute time frame at the low for a reversal back up to the high. And looking at the Aussie dollar, we have our failed breakout on Thursday. Yeah, Friday. We have our failed breakout day 1, Monday is day 2, Tuesday is day 3, continuous breaking down of the previous day's low. So I would be looking to buy low. So this would be a day 3 reversal setup at the low of the week. So my interest will be a breakout. So I want to see a breakout in my timing window at the low of the week for a reversal. Looking at the Japanese yen. This is a very interesting setup. Monday set the high and the low of the week. Then Tuesday we had a breakout, and then I think we had news yesterday. I was not present to look at this, but this is a new scandal. Price breaks down and closes below. We have our first red day. So this day I will be looking for setups at the high of the day for a sell high setup. Basically, it is as simple as just that. So if you have a thesis in mind, you know you have a process, then it would be very easy for me to actually eliminate all the trade setups that don't meet my criteria. So right now I have all these setups, but by the time my timing window approaches, I will have already selected 2 or 3 best trade setups that look promising. Lastly, the US Canadian. We have on Friday we have a failed breakout and a fast green day. So this is day 1. Then on Monday we have day 2, and then on Tuesday we have day 3, which is this choppy move here. I will be looking for a sell high setup. So basically this is my watch list, and this is the process. Anyway, if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.